Hi, my name is Sohail Ansari and I am going to tell you how to control any appliances by using remote. This is a simple circuit which is used to control any AC loads like bulb or motor or fan, etc. So this is infrared receiver which receives the 38 kHz signal from the remote. Pin number 1. This is pin number 1. Pin number 1 is connected to ground. Pin number 2 is connected to supply in series with resistor R5, and the output of the IR receiver is given to the base of the transistor. The transistor BC558 amplifies the signal and fed to the clock pin 14 of decade counter IC CD4017, which trigger the pin 2 and green LED close. Here, red LED indicate that the appliance is off and green LED indicate that the appliance is on. The moment when pin 2 goes high, then it activates the transistor BC548 and therefore the relay energizes and makes the AC appliance circuit into an on state. In this way, this circuit works. Let us check it practically.